Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Uh, I modified the script which I created yesterday, and it's now called AIM.py. It stands for App Image Manager because no longer is it only limited to the functionality of installing app images as native programs on your system. It can now manage app images, uh, completely manage app images. It can keep track of what app images you're installing on your system via the script, and it can also provide you with a list of all the app images installed on your system. It can also uninstall the app images which you would have installed on your system as native programs via the script. So essentially what I'm trying to say is, let me demonstrate it. Let me open my terminal and let me clear that out. All right, so before I proceed, let me show you something. As you can see, I don't have Brave installed on my system, and also nor do I have Stacer installed on my system. These are a bunch of random files related to Stacer. So there's this Stacer icon and this Stacer app image file, I guess. But Stacer and Brave, they are not installed on my system. All right, but I am going to install them on my system as app images. So I have the app image of both of these programs. So here's Brave and here's Stacer, and I have a terminal window open. Let me go ahead and manage that. Let me tile that. All right. So our first step is to obviously type Python, since it is a Python script, and the name of our script, which is aim.py. aim.py, there you go. And then we need to specify certain flags. So I'm actually going through the process of installing it right now. So I'm going to pass this flag called exe equals, and now make sure that these are within double quotes. All right. um, Now what we need to do is we need to copy the path of our executable file. So I'm going to copy the path of my executable file. I'm going to copy the path of Brave. I'm going to paste that in there, and now we'll need to copy the path of our icon file. So icon equals, put that within quotes, including the icon. And now what we need to do is we need to copy the path to our icon file, and we can go ahead and paste that. There you go, we pasted that. And now we'll also need to specify a name for our program. So I'm going to call it Brave browser. And now what you can also do is you can also include space in your after your name flag. So you can also, your program, the name of your program can contain space in between, something which was not possible before. The other script, the script that I created yesterday, could not implement programs with names with space in between them. All right, so I'm going to call my program Brave browser, and I'm going to enclose the quotes. I'm going to hit enter. It's going to ask me for my password. I'm going to type that, and there you go. Now Brave has been installed on my system. As you can see, Brave browser, the name which I specified right here, is over here. So if I open that up, should launch. There you go, it launches up. All right, now we'll talk about Stacer. So let's go ahead and get this started. So just like the other one, we'll copy. Now notice one thing, that the app image file of Brave is no longer present in this directory. That is because it has been moved to another directory from where this .desktop file is accessing the executable file. All right, so that is one thing to keep in mind. Now I'll install Stacer. So the same steps, we'll open up our terminal, and you know what, let me move over to workspace 2, and let me open up another terminal right here. So cd yt, there you go. Now I'm going to specify the same flags, python aim.py within quotes exec equals, to paste the path of our executable file of Stacer, and We'll copy the path of our icon file. There you go, we copied it. Excuse me, I guess I messed up. uh, Icon equals, there you go, exec equals, I have it in my clipboard right here. Here's the path to our executable file, and now we'll specify the name equals, I'm gonna call it stacer. So stacer, there you go. uh, Looks like we're having a bit of an issue right here. There you go. And then we'll hit enter. It's gonna ask me for my password. I'm gonna put that in, and stacer has been installed. Let me see if I can launch that up. There you go, stacer successfully launches up. Now there's another flag. So python aim.py ls, this is going to list all the programs that have been installed as app images on your system. So in my case, just right now I installed Brave browser, so it's there. I also installed Stacer as app image on my system, so Stacer is also there. Now let's say I wanted to remove this, I wanted to wipe out the existence of this Brave browser which has been installed as on my system as an app image. I want to wipe out the existence of Brave browser. So what I would do is I would type python aim.py, put that within quotes, uninstall equals, we'll copy that. Now remember one thing, we have an underscore sign in between Brave and browser, but when we open up our menu to search for Brave browser, there's no underscore in between. So when you are uninstalling your program, make sure that you list the app images and see the actual name of the, what do I say, actual name of the directory. This right here is what I'm talking about. This right here contains the information about this guy right here. So we'll need to put that underscore in there. This won't work. We'll need to put that underscore because when I list the app images which have been installed on my system via that script, Brave browser comes up with this underscore in between the words Brave and browser. So yeah, I hope you get it. All right, now all that's left to do is to hit enter, and if I hit enter, boom, the existence of Brave from my system has been completely wiped out. These are all the residue files. This is my Brave icon file, and this is a .desktop file which I was playing around with. This has got nothing to do with the app image that had been installed. Same thing I can do with Stacer. So as you can see right now, Stacer is on my system, but if I went ahead and did that, uninstall equals Stacer, the existence of Stacer has been wiped out from my system. These are other files. These are not associated with my app image files. All right. Now if I go ahead and do python aim.py ls, you can see no app image is installed on my system. So this was a quick video. This was a quick tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great day.